the dogs are after me. Oh my god. Run. Run. Oh, wait, are they coming? Wait a minute. Ah! Oh my god, they're still coming. Okay, run. Just run. Do not look back. Run. Oh my god. This is so scary. There's dogs chasing me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, come on. Come on. I'm just kidding, guys. This is just like a exercise for me and my dogs. Have to try and catch up on their leads until my food bar is gone. And right now it's already on 3.5. Jesus, go. Run. Run. I'm pretending that they're trying to kill me. Come on. Come on. Run. Ah! Oh my god. They're gonna kill me. I have a lot of dogs, don't I? I do. I really have a lot of dogs. I can't run anymore. Come on. 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 So I had this food area right here. Let me unleash all my dogs. Alright, so let me turn on some music because my doggies love music. They all do. The sweet sound of chirp. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-da. Yeah, let me get some apples. Come on! Wait, come on, get back up. Oh. There you go. Sit there. You sit there. Set. Set. Ooh. Ooh. You sit. Come over here, Apple. Alright guys, I think this is going to be it for the video. So see you guys later. Bye.